Hello friends, welcome back to Doclin CR YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us on our journey through the world of healthcare and research. Today's video is related to the what is clinical research? So, what exactly is clinical research? Well, it's like the heartbeat of healthcare innovation. Clinical research involves studying real people to find better ways to prevent, diagnose, and treat diseases. Think of it as the bridge between groundbreaking discoveries in the lab and meaningful improvements in patient care. Now let's talk about the different phases of clinical trials. Phase 1. First, there's Phase 1, where our researchers test a new intervention, like a drug or treatment, on a small group of brave volunteers. It's all about safety and dosage. Phase 2. In Phase 2, the focus shifts to a larger group of patients. We're looking closely at how well the intervention works and whether it has any side effects. Phase 3. The stakes get even higher in Phase 3. We're talking large-scale studies to confirm the intervention's effectiveness, compare it to existing treatments, and keep a keen eye on safety. Phase 4. And finally, Phase 4 happens after the intervention hits the market. It's like a post-launch checkup, monitoring its long-term effects in the real world. Now, you might be wondering, why does all of this matter? Well, the results of clinical research are like gold for healthcare. They guide doctors in making informed decisions, help shape medical guidelines, and, most importantly, lead to the development of new and improved treatments. Ethical considerations are at the heart of clinical research. There are strict guidelines and regulatory bodies like the FDA, EMA, DCGI, ensuring that every study prioritizes patient safety and follows the highest ethical standards. If you found this video interesting, give it a thumbs up and share it. And hey, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting healthcare explorations here on Doclin CR. Until next time, stay curious and stay healthy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye-bye.